This is a DeadDuck production. Enjoy this video. Smoking in the rain, I make the money just to have it blow away. But who is it to blame? Mary changed up my brain. Catch me smoking all day. I'm starving, got me skinny like a crane. No, things won't ever be the same. Blasting off airplane, yeah, I might just blow my brain. I'll be high as hell, I won't be back to tell the tale. Yeah, I ran out of cocaine. Yeah, I'm mentally deranged. I'm just trying to find my way. This shit got me fucking drained. I do it every day. Girl, look me in my face. You think it's a game till I run it like a race. Yeah, I'm smoking in the rain. I make the money just to have it blow away. But who is it to blame? Mary changed up my fucking brain. Catch me smoking all day. I'm starving, got me skinny like a fucking crane. No, things won't ever be the same. Busting off airplane, I might just blow my brain. I ran out of cocaine. Yeah, I'm mentally deranged. I'm just trying to find my way. This shit got me fucking drained. I'll do it every fucking day. Look me in my motherfucking face. Yeah, you thought it was a game till I run it like a race. Yeah, I'm smoking in the fucking rain. I make the money just to have it blow away. But who is it to blame? Oh, you think that I'm a lie? Do you look me in my eye? Do you really think that I can die? Pulling up in my ride, it's a drive-by. Trying to figure out why I won't die. I guess it's not my time. Jump off the bridge and dive. I drank too much, should I drive? Eat that pussy like a pie. Cause you thought that I was alive. Look me in my eye. Do you really think I can die? I'm pulling up in my ride, drive by. I'm trying to figure out why I won't die. I guess it's not my time. Jump off the bridge and dive. Drink too much, should I drive? I eat that pussy like a pie. You thought that I was alive, hey, and I'm smoking in the rain. I make that money just to watch it blow away. But who is it to blame? Mary changed up my brain. Catch me smoking all day. Starving, I got me like a crane. No, things won't be the same. I'm blasting off airplane.